Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the files in Blender. This saves time. Make sure the obj and its MTL are together in one folder. That preserves material links. Open Blender and use the default scene or delete objects you do not need. Once done, go to File, then Import and choose Wavefront, Obj. You will see a file browser. Navigate to the folder with the Obj. Select the file, check Import options on the right, and click Import OBJ to bring geometry into the scene. Once the import dialog is open, you control how the model appears. These options matter. Choose axis settings to match the source application. Incorrect axes cause upside-down models. Use split by object if the exporter combined multiple meshes. Use keep vertex order only when you need exact indexing. If materials are missing, enable image search so Blender scans nearby directories for textures. After import, move to object mode and inspect the outliner. Make sure objects, materials, and texture slots arrived as expected. To finish, verify materials and normals. These govern appearance. If textures are missing, open the shader editor, add image texture nodes, and link files manually. This reconnects visual data. Correct inverted faces by entering edit mode and recalculating normals to outside, then check shading. If scale or transforms are off, apply scale and rotation with apply right arrow scale/rotation to avoid physics or export issues later. If something still fails, look at the console for import errors. That one message often identifies the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.